everybody. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. I'm sorry for background noise. I'm in an airport. Finally another trip report. After 6 months, another one comes out. I apologize for my inconsistency. Just, I haven't had the time to fly. And I'm posting infinite flight and other aviation content to keep you AvGeek watchers occupied. You know, so I could get more views and I could get more juice, because I'm a view-hungry monster like every other YouTuber. Well, yeah, that's true. Every YouTuber is view-hungry, other than like a few, even Superwoman is. So, just to tell you guys, we're flying on a United 757. If you didn't know about the title, I flew in one of these on the same flight 5 years ago when there wasn't PTVs. This year there's IFE. It's my first time experiencing United Airlines in-flight entertainment. Let's hope it goes well.
The boarding process was pretty good. The crew on board was good and everything was really efficient as we boarded. There was no blocking and people were there to greet us. And as for how I feel the boarding process goes, this is one of the better ones, given they did a good job with people who had wheelchair assistance. At your seat, you have a blanket which is provided, which is a nice gesture for a flight that's still regional. And the legroom on Comfort Plus was good, even though I'm not sure about how it will be in regular basic economy. And that should be it. And we did have an in-flight entertainment screen, which is always nice because United is pretty low on their in-flight entertainment screens or the availability of them on their fleet. So that was a nice gesture. On board, you are provided with some earphones, even though the quality of those earphones is really bad. So I personally feel or recommend you bring your own. The IFE was pretty good, even though it was a touchscreen. It was touchscreen, and the touchscreen was not very responsive, and it lagged a ton. And you know, that won't be really good because that will lead to problems. As far as selection of entertainment went, the entertainment selection would be probably decent because it's not the best, and neither is it the worst because I've experienced airlines that are worse. On board the flight, you do get free pretzels, and the pretzels are not the best, I would say. They taste decent because they aren't salted properly, so it tastes a little bland. And you also do get Sprite, and my Sprite actually had Japanese stuff, so that's pretty cool. Then there's the bathroom, which is pretty decent and very crammed.
Hey everybody, I'm talking through the bathroom now. I haven't filmed a lot of my talking this time, you know, everything's voiceover as well. I'm in the bathroom, but this is actually a retrofitted 757, for sure from the 1900s. And, see the sink, can already say that, but check this out. So right there, look at this toilet, look at the flush. Like, seriously, this plane is a total time machine. And it's cool to be in one of these aircraft because within a few years, we're gonna actually be saying goodbye to a lot of these old aircraft because we're kind of going through, like, by 2021 or 2022, we're gonna have a huge change in aircraft. You know, there's the Boeing 797 and all that stuff. So, you know, it's nice. And United, I believe, I was talking to one of the flight attendants, they said something. I see United has actually a decently large fleet of these aircraft. As nice as it is to fly a brand new plane, it's also not bad at flying one of these old aircraft because, yes, it is retrofitted with in-flight entertainment, which is kind of decent and lags a bit, but you know, just learn how to keep up with that.
Alright guys, so just to talk about the Wi-Fi that I didn't actually pay for or connect to, the Wi-Fi is pretty decently priced compared to Delta, but there's no free Wi-Fi like JetBlue and not even free messaging like Delta. And then there is entertainment, which you can also enjoy on your phone, which is a really good gesture, and you could also book stuff on United's partner websites, which is something that I like. Alright, the overall flight was pretty decent, I would say, because the flight isn't as good as American, according to me, but the flight wasn't bad by no means of imagination.
Alright everybody, so I just reached my destination, so this is the end of the video. I can't not end a vlog. Flight was pretty good. Gonna like do a write-up and possibly make a review video and possibly compare it to the American A321 small version. I don't know, should I or should I not? Tell me. Remember, follow me in all my social media. I took a bunch of Instagram pics that are gonna come out soon, and I'm gonna be vlogging more, so you better subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when I upload another video. Yeah, boom.